Welcome to the world of robotics. Our robot runs on the ESP32, built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, endless IoT possibilities. If you're just getting started, choosing the right brain matters. 240 MHz, dual-core blazing fast built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. But beginners often have no idea what went wrong. That's exactly why we simplified everything. The ACEBOTT ESP32 Shield V1.0 is designed for the ESP32 Max V2.0. No messy breadboards, just a cleaner, easier way to connect modules. Built for robotics, IoT, and STEM learning benefits included. Dedicated servo ports provide stable power and signal connections. But hardware is only half the challenge. Sometimes, one missing semicolon breaks everything. That's why graphical coding is becoming popular for beginners. Code ESP32 your way. Pick the platform that fits your level. We make wireless features easy. Multiple GPIO pins control several servos for complex movements. Simple, direct, and effective. Need quick fixes? Check our YouTube Shorts Fact playlist, 30-second beginner troubleshooting. Visit our website for the full kit, and subscribe for more daily robotics guides.